Passive income is money that goes into your bank account without you having to do much or any active work. Residual streams of income can be a great way to accumulate wealth, particularly if your earning potential is stunted at your day job. But the most popular passive income streams, such as dividends, investment interest, and rental income, usually require a lot of money up front to get started. Fortunately, it's also possible to engineer a passive income stream from scratch. If you know you want extra money in a hands-off way, you can reverse engineer a side hustle or small business idea accordingly to ensure it pays you while you sleep. Here are 4 passive income ideas to consider in 2023. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Number 1. Writing and publishing an ebook can make you passive income online, and platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and Medium's Partner Program make it easy for authors and writers to make residual income or royalties from their content. It took me 3 days and less than $500 to get everything set up to launch my first ebook on KDP, says Mark LaCourciere, who packaged and published his project management expertise into an ebook. LaCourciere put his ebook up for sale on Amazon in November 2022 and makes an average of $1.50 a day in royalties currently. Number 2. Become a creator. If you know how to get attention or love to produce informational or entertaining content, the creator economy is booming these days. Creating your content won't be passive, but the money you make on the back end will be residual and require minimal maintenance to sustain. Monetization tools like the YouTube Partner Program, Google AdSense, and Podbean's Pod Ads will give you a cut of the ad revenue they generate once your channel or podcast has achieved traction and built an audience. Nick Loper, the founder of Side Hustle Nation, a podcast that talks about people making money with side hustles, says his YouTube channel has been doing pretty well, earning a steady $500 to $800 a month passively for years. If you're concerned about not having enough traffic to draw advertisers, you can strike up a sponsorship with a company that shares your vision. Sponsorships are when a company pays you directly to partner with them and promote their offers, and these partnerships can include videos, podcasts, emails, or social media posts. Teaming up with brands and companies can help you create content that'll get seen, and it puts you on the right track to getting bigger brand deals, which create additional opportunities for royalty income. Number 3. Build a membership site. Getting paid once is great. Getting paid over and over again is even better. If you have valuable content or resources, you could house them in a membership site, then sell subscriptions to your site for a low monthly fee. In this format, you're licensing out your content, much like how a software or streaming service charges you each month for access. Your membership site can be small or scale into something more. I wouldn't call memberships passive as they involve work. Retention especially, says Desislava Dobreva, creator of the Badass Brand Squad, a business and branding membership now in its 6th year. I spend about 10 hours a month running it. My time is spent on calls and answering questions, and my team does all the rest. Dobreva's team, which she began hiring at the end of her first year, handles payments, tech issues, customer support, and events. My advice would be to focus on retention immediately, because with memberships the most important thing is to stay profitable, she says. This will allow you to bring a team in as soon as possible, and then you can outsource the majority of tasks related to running the membership. Then you can focus on doing the things you love doing. For me, this is running calls and providing help and support. Number 4, create an online course. Online courses are infinitely scalable, require minimal upkeep, and can produce high profit margins. You likely know things that other people want to learn about. With an online course or other information product, you create the material once, then sell it over and over again. You can also change the course later or add more live components to it if you want. We create a strategic learning path, says Broadus Palmer, founder of Level Up in Tech, an e-learning business that teaches in-demand cloud computing skills. Palmer started teaching and selling the course with pre-recorded videos, but he says he's moved on to a cohort-based hybrid model that mixes live sessions and pre-recorded videos. Palmer's hybrid model isn't passive anymore, but he has the materials recorded and set up if he ever wants to go back to offering a self-study option. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.